knowledge. Two of them. One is broken, like broken. Radiator. Radiator work. Got some bumper pads. Well, where did that shoot up to? Put that back in there. Alright, so I just drained. Well, currently draining. The radiator. Oh shit, it came all the way out. Fluid drained one way or another. These clips. Okay, so got a little pry wires, flathead, 10mm. I need to finish taking off these clips. Okay, so this one popped out of there, this one popped out of there, this one out of here. Can detach this, throw that over there, take this one out. I'm gonna take this off too as well right now. Wow. Okay, so took that off, took this off. One, two, three on this side. Gotta replace the lights as well. Okay, so this one, ooh, it's a little. This one quick. Those three go there. That one, I need to get this out, jeez. Fly that out of the way. Take it off, actually. Oh, I need to get this whole wrench. this off as well. Alright, we're gonna get the 10 millimeter wrench for this one right here. Because if you don't want to take your battery out. Is it 10 millimeter? I believe it's 10 millimeter. We're also gonna need the 10 millimeter for here as well. Maybe mine is broken. It might not. Mine's all bent in, warped. So then this just comes off. Take that out. Fat head, very easy flat head. Right there. And then this can just go hang out over here with those guys. And then we're gonna need the 10 millimeter for that. Okay, come on. Alright, there's the last one. 1, 2, and 3. And then that's taken apart. This one. Here. Wait, what's more? Okay, let's with it, right? You ready? Yep. Okay, just, you know, where am I? Oh, I got one more clip. Oh, yeah, really get it out. Oh, one right here. Yeah. Okay. Radiator sports out. Radiator completely broken. Now to take the hoses off. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, that's not completely. Oh, now I gotta move this. What's up? Ah. It's over. Paddles off. There you go. This might be more. Come on, hose. Jose. Okay, we got one more hose down at the bottom. And the sensor as well, I believe. Kind of lift up just yet, almost. Okay, so couldn't get the bottom hose detached from the radiator, so I just detached it from the housing. Clip unclipped at the bottom. This one is a major pain in the ass, but those two things from the bottom unclipped. The top is all done. I can just lift this bitch out of here. Look at that. Look at that. Fuck. This is bent. Bottom is bent as well. But not that bad. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm also gonna replace the lights. That's this one right here. light. This one over here. And there's also one underneath the fender. Don't lose them. Underneath the fender, I'll just use, instead of taking the whole fender off because I don't have a new bumper. Pop that back, and then you can just slide a 10 mil wrench right there. Let's see if it's finger tight. Yeah, just a belt. Nope. Oof. Alright, so then pull that one out. Boop. Two lights. Take out the lights. One light out. Also this one, that one, and the one under the fender. Almost was wondering why. One under the front bumper. 3 bolts for your headlight. Boom. Just now I should just what the hell? So one, oh, I gotta take this one off too. 1, 2. Okay, so I just pretty much just took my bumper off. Little bottom clips at the bottom, and then slide it out, drop it down. That's it. Just to see why. Just to see. Okay, 1, 2, and then ba 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 ba. So, why am I taking that one out? No clue. Wrong one, Royce. Wrong one. Tighten that bad boy out. This is the one you need to take off. Light. out. Empty, empty, empty. There's one more. Right, there's one more. Okay. Radiator out. Passenger headlight out. Driver headlight out. Okay. Alright, well, radiator's out, headlights are out. Time to swap over the fans. Screwdriver, 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 screwdriver. Phillips flathead. Phillips meat flathead. Phillips. Oh, Phillips. Oh no. That one's about to get stripped. So I'm gonna actually use the 10mm for that one. Okay, well. Okay. Give me this. Okay, well, just like that. Fans. Okay. Are out. Put them over here. Ow, that was my finger. Okay. Screw these back in. Alright. Okay, two more. That's just freely spinning in there. That one as well? Yeah, okay. That one's hot. That one is freely spinning. There we go. Doing it over. Okay, we're gonna transfer over this bad boy. Here. Boom. Just like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Alright, now it's time to change over the sensor. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know what size it is, so I'm just gonna grab this. Ooh, so just a little tighter, huh? A little tighter, eh? There we go. Move that over. And now this is officially trash. Tighten it. Boom. Don't want to over tighten it and crack it. Alright. Alright. New radiator is ready and. Oh, wait. There's this little rubber grommet. I can see it inside. There we go. Gotta make sure to have these either on those little legs or inside of these little holes. Yeah, see, I gotta replace this too, but I still have Freon in my line and I need that cleaned out, pumped out. Okay, radiator done. Let's put these new lights in, huh? Alright. Driver's side headlight. Like vacuum sealed. Okay, so this is this bent? No, alright. Should be good. Oh, this is bent. Oh, I'm gonna have to bend this back. Okay. Okay. Okay, that one's in. Fuck. Look at this. I gotta bend this back or I can. Fuck. I'll just leave it for now. Sucks. It's annoying me. I don't want to ruin my life. I just got. So I'm just gonna leave that like that. Yeah, we're sure. Alright. Time for this side. Oh, I add this clip back in because, you know, why not? All right, just about got the second headlight all the way in. Okay. Okay. This one off to the side. All right. Just put the bumper back on. All I had to do was push it back into place, secure the fasteners underneath the bottom. That's it. Super easy. Now, radiator. Fans are already swapped over. Let's just go ahead and shimmy this bad boy in here. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Get this hose out of the way. Hose over there. Make sure no cables. Ow. Okay, did they go in the little grommet? Feels like it. How do I make it longer?
That's what she said!
Okay, radiator's in. Let's put in the sensor. Bow, 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 bow. It's just by feel. It's just by feel. In. Sensor's in. It's in. It's in. Okay, secure it down as well. Okay. Put it back into the little grommet hole. Oh wait, probably not, because I still gotta put... Oh no, that's already here. Boom. Boom. And then this one here. Okay, so this is just gonna be bent like that for a while until I get a replacement. Oh no! It's already fucking hit my fucking radiator, you whore. Okay, so there's that. Where are my pliers? Okay, radiator is in, bottom sensor is plugged in, top hose is plugged in, bottom hose is plugged in, but now I gotta plug it into the housing. Okay, I think radiator is in. Radiator's done. fans are all plugged in. Whoa, what is this? Whoa! Oh, that's for the hood latch. I need to take these off. I need to take these off as well. So that goes to the radiator hose. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Okay, so hose connected, radiator port. Actually, it does not fit. Oh, hold on. Okay, I need this as well. Okay, this thing is, I'm having difficulties because it's bent. Wait a minute, I know I'm smarter than this, come on. Ah! Pinched the fuck out of my finger right there. Oh no! I'm gonna have to pinch my finger again, aren't I? There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah? No, maybe. Yeah, it looks like we're good. Looks like we're good.
Matters got hot and died. But here's an after picture.